Hello, I'm Mary Springuli, a medical speech-language pathologist and author of Voice Aerobics. I want to tell you about an exciting new service I've just begun. I call it Voice Aerobics at Home Online. Online coaching. I began this because of requests from many of my patients who completed formal speech or voice therapy, but who wanted to continue to practice. They wanted to stay in touch, whether it was once a week or once a month, so that they could get some continued coaching to make improvements in their speech or voice. Also because of people I meet when speaking at conferences or voice aerobic seminars, or people who order my products and contact me. It's easy to begin. Just complete the brief online questionnaire, and then I'll contact you and set up a 15-minute complimentary consultation. While you're at my website, you may also want to download a free video conferencing software like Skype or Oohoo. That will make it easy for us to connect. That's all there is to it. So if you're ready to begin, well, just call me.